Shut up and sit down.
Write a letter to the railway station master complaining about the damaged consignment you have received, a gift from your father, at a local railway goods office. Dandhari Kalan, District, Ludhiana. Dated August 25, 2019. To the Station Master, Roper. Subject: complaining about damaged consignment. Respected Sir or Madam, this is to bring to your kind notice some facts regarding a damaged consignment that I received at Dandhari Kalan. My father, living at Roper, dispatched 4 boxes of mangoes weighing 12 kgs each per RR number REN 651-90280 on 14th August per passenger per train. Okay. Yesterday, I received the consignment at the local railway good office. To my utter surprise, I found the boxes and found stones and straw filled in them. The local station master, when contacted, expressed helplessness. I rang up my father and he intends to take the matter to the police. Before that, I want you to look into the matter by paying suitable compensation and bring the culprits to book. I shall proceed further after hearing from you. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Rajesh Saxena.